Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a metal fence post spike without any specialized tools. The spike itself was holding a 4x4 fence post which is quite movable, and on top of the post was a bird table. You will notice that I'm drilling a hole in the post, which I'll explain later, but first I'm gonna drill some holes in the spike itself close to the ground, and then later I'm gonna use some screws to drive it into the post itself, keeping them nice and firm. What I'm using here is part of a dismantled pallet and a oversized Allen key. Ideally, what I should be using here is a 10-inch bolt, but I couldn't find one at the DIY shop. As you can see, I'm going to use a jack to lift the spike out of the ground, but the attached piece of wood is too high. So with that said, I've lowered the attached piece of wood and also used some extra screws to fix it to the post. With my second attempt, the jack was just pulling away the piece of wood from the post and the spike was not elevating. Therefore, back to the drawing board. My third attempt was to use a second Allen key with the hooks on either side of the post and attached piece of wood, and use the jack also from the other side, and voila, it worked. With the spike about a foot out of the ground, all I now need is to remove the post from the spike itself and then complete the job. I had to use a bit of force to separate the spike and post, but eventually I did get the job done. I still had to use the jack to get the remainder of the spike out of the ground, but to my surprise I thought it wouldn't stop. I couldn't believe that this spike was this long, honestly. So, do you have a spike or anything similar in the ground at home that you really need to remove? Let me know and how you got it out. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate your support. Please remember, give me a like, leave a positive comment and subscribe. Goodbye.